Unlock the power of feedback with SurveyMonkey. Whether you are a business owner, a student, or just someone eager to gather opinions, our beginner-friendly guide will talk. You draw the simple steps to create effective surveys. Discover how to design engaging questions, analyze responses, and transform insights into action, all in just a few clicks. Ready to harness the voice of your audience. Let's dive in. So hey guys, and welcome in this video where I will show you step by step how to use SurveyMonkey. So first of all you have to do is open your browser and dive into surveymonkey.com. So this is the homepage. As you can see, to get started all I have to do is click over register with his email address or click over free registration. But before, let's know what is SurveyMonkey. SurveyMonkey is an online platform that allows users to create, distribute, and analyze surveys. It provides a user-friendly interface for designing questionnaires, collecting responses, and generating reports, ideal for businesses, educators, and researchers. SurveyMonkey helps gather valuable feedback, insights, and data to inform decisions with various templates and customizable options. It makes survey creation accessible even for beginners. So let's get started. So once you click over registered with his email address, you'll find this page. Let's get to know you. I'm using SurveyMonkey for work, education, personal. But before, you will just write your email address and your password. Then you confirm your password and you get started and you will find this page. Then you choose here between work or education or personal. Once you do that, you will find this page. What you want to do first, start from scratch or use a quick template built with EA. About start from scratch, we have you begin with a blank page or copy and paste a survey you have written. Then we have you use a quick template. Use a template we have picked for you to create and send surveys faster. Then we have the last one we have each, which is built with EA. Type a short prompt. EA will create a tailored survey just for you. Once you choose between this, you'll find this page. Sorry, we have here the home page. The first thing here we have add questions, then we have go to collect, then we have analyze your results, and we have here something. If you want to create a survey, you click over here. Once you do that, you will find this page. Choose a starting point. You have start from scratch, copy an existing survey, build with EA, pick a popular template, then you have here paste your content, build a target audience, then use proven research methods. So I'll click over start from scratch, for example, so you choose the one you want. Then you will find this page. You can first here add a logo, so you can see by uploading here, and then you add also a title. For example, you add a title here, then page description also, and then you click over save. Once you do that, you will find here answer your question. This is your first question. Then you choose here multiple question, check boxes, star rating, best worst scale, file upload. Then we have single text box. Then we have comment box, matrix of drop down menus. Then we have drop down matrix and rating scale. Then we have here ranking slider, multiple text box, date and time also. Then we have your page logic, choose between question, then randomization, then we have page randomization, then we have also here more actions, copy page, edit page info, require questions also. Also we have your add collaborations, you have your upgrade also. Then we have your settings and themes. You have your logic, page skip logic, page randomization, question randomization, block randomization. Also we have custom variable also. Then we have your options, payment, quiz, survey title, exit link, progress bar, page titles, page numbers also, questions numbers, required RSTX language also. Then we have your question bank, commanded questions, previously used questions, all category, community, customer feedback, customer satisfaction. Then we have demographic, education, events, healthcare, human resources, industry specific, just a for fun, market research, not profile. Then we have political, and that's it. Then we have your format. So you choose between classic, one question at a time, or conversation. Then we have paid here, your basic plan only lets you preview your paid features and question types. Upgrade your plan to use them, or edit or remove them to send your survey for free. So this is about design surveys. We have your collect responses. About this one, we have two things. The first one we have here how to send surveys your way. Before that, let's read this question. How would you like to collect responses to your survey? The first one, send surveys your way. Send your surveys by email, aim them on your website, share a link on social media or a web page, and more. Then we have your target your ideal respondent. Buy responses from the right demographics on our global survey panel. SurveyMonkey audience get results in minutes. We have your analyze results. About this one, you have here at the dashboard, also question summaries, insights, and data trends. Then you have individual responses, dashboard also. You can just add questions also here. We have filter here, compare, show also, page one. Then about compare, we have compare by question and answer, compare by A and B test, compare by collector, and we have also here filter. So using SurveyMonkey as a beginner is straightforward. First, you have to sign up for an account on SurveyMonkey website. Once logged in, click on the Create Survey button. You can either start from scratch or choose a template that fits your needs. Next, use the drag and drop editor to add various question types, such as multiple choice or open-ended questions. Customize your survey by adjusting the theme, and adding a title and description. After you have added all your questions, preview your survey to ensure everything looks good. Once satisfied, click on the Collect Responses tab to choose how you want to distribute your survey, via email, link, or social media. Finally, after collecting responses, you can analyze the results using the built-in analytics tools, which provide insights into the data collected. With these steps, you'll be able to create and manage surveys effectively. So SurveyMonkey is a powerful tool for creating surveys with ease. To maximize your experience, focus on clarity in your questions. Keep your survey concise and target the right audience for your responses. Don't forget to test your survey before sharing it to catch any issues. Finally, regularly review the analytics to gain valuable insights and improve future surveys. Happy surveying! So that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.